Welcome back, everybody, and I hope everyone is good and fine. So, first of all, some of you were complaining about the size of the screen, so I'm going to increase the size. So, let's see if it works for you. This is the maximum size that I can achieve in this IDE, so I believe it will help everybody. So the next thing was the voice, and I will not cancel the noise in this audio. So you might be hear some noise in the background, so please ignore it. So I believe right now my voice is clear. Okay, so today we are going to create another model, and in this model what we will do, we will create the relationship between the owner and the vehicle information. So I'm going to paste the code from the Cypern because he has done the assignment. So I will paste this code and added this code to make it work in our own way. Okay, so I have already copied this code, and okay, there's some syntax error. I will fix these errors. And okay, so everything is good until now. So vehicle detail, that's great. And what we are going to do, we are going to insert one more field here, which is going to refer to our owner. So in a relationship, in a database relationship, what how we deal with the something, let me show you. This is going to be our owner, and these are going to be our vehicles. Okay, so owner can have multiple vehicles, but a single vehicle cannot have multiple owners. Okay, so I believe you guys can understand this. A single owner can have multiple vehicles, but a vehicle cannot have multiple owners. This is logically incorrect. Okay, so we are going to create this relation in our database. So here I'm going to create one more field, which is going to be again owner, and I'm going to create it models dot foreign key. Okay, so here what we need maximum length, and it could be anything. For now, what we are going to take is 50. I'm going to make it 100 and 100. There is another option which is cascade, equal to model dot, I believe it's restrict. I have documentation open here. So it says that we have to use this protect class. How we are going to use it, let me show you. Prevent deletion of the reference object by raising this. Okay, so we will use this protect, like this on delete. Sorry, this was the option. Okay, so instead of models dot cascade, I'm going to use protect. Okay, what it will do, uh, let's suppose we have a vehicle number A, and what we want, we have vehicle A, and in some time what we want to delete it. Okay, so in models dot cascade, if we delete the child of the parent, it will automatically delete the owner or the parent. Okay, so it will automatically delete its owner. So it is logically incorrect in our case, because we don't want to delete owner if a vehicle is deleted. Okay, so what we want to do, because our owner can have multiple vehicles in his possessions, so this is logically incorrect. So what we will do, we will use this protect. It will protect our owner from deleting if we delete a vehicle. Okay, so I believe I have explained it correctly. So if you guys have any question about this field, so you can ask it easily. We can name it anything, but I uh, like to keep it exactly same with our parent name. And one thing which I am forgetting about this relationship, I need to reference it here. Okay, in the first or the second, we don't need maximum length. I'm going to create the reference here. Okay, I have wrote the name of this model name, and assigned it another name here. One more thing that I want to create here is another primary key for this vehicle details model. Okay, because what we want to search a vehicle also by its own primary key. Okay, so I'm going to create this field, sorry, this field primary key. Cut, paste, remove the space, and char field and primary. Okay, yeah, this guy has already done that. Good work. So we will use it as our primary key. And why we have this error here? Vehicle number is equal to models dot char field, max length is equal to 30. Okay, we forgot a comma here, that is why. And okay, everything else is great. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to make some migrations and see if we have any error here. So let me just quickly check. Let me first go to my lecture number. I think it's lecture 1. I need to confirm. Give me a second, please. Okay, so it's in our lecture 1. No problem. Okay, py manage dot py and check. Okay, it seems everything is correct. I'm going to create migrations. It seems that everything is fine. Let me just run the server quickly. Okay, so everything seems fine, and we need to go to the admin. right now we have only honors here, and I'm going to quickly edit our admin.py, and I'm going to use the same, sorry, import honor. And what was the second name of the model? It was the vehicle detail. Okay, good, good. Okay, no logical error. Okay, we have vehicle details. First of all, I'm going to delete this existing data. Yes, I'm sure everything is cool. So first of all, I'm going to say abc dash 20 model. Model is the year of manufacture of the vehicle. Okay, so the number of the vehicle is 1234. Okay, so it's asking for our owner. Okay, so what I'm going to do, going to click here, it will open a new section for us. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so I'm going to insert some information here, B, C, and D. Okay, I have saved it. It has automatically selected the first one for us. Okay, so the vehicle name is going to be, I think we don't need vehicle name because because our vehicle cannot have any name. So instead I will remove this field later, but for now I'm going to use it. A model number is 2020, chassis number is 123456 123654. Vehicle type, it's going to be a option, the multiple choice option. Okay, here we will use the combo box or the select box to select an option from here. Okay, right now I'm going to say it bus. Okay, it's a school bus. So I will save this information, and it has successfully saved the information, but it's not giving us the vehicle object. Let me just quickly check this one. Self string self dot vehicle name. Let's use this one, vehicle number. Okay, vehicle detail object. What could be the problem here? I don't understand the issue here. Oh, these are the double quotes, not a single quote. As dashes, sorry, the underscores. Okay, these are double underscores, not a single underscore. So everything is fine now. Okay, we are good here. Okay, to test our relationship of this section, that whether it will delete our owner or not, what we are going to do, we know that we have this owner. I'm going to delete this vehicle, and let's see what will happen. Good. Okay, so our owner is not deleted, it's here without any issue. I'm going to create one more owner for us, which is 1111 dash 1. Okay, I'm going to use my own name. Farhan Bashir, it is my number. Need to fix this issue. Okay, and everything else is fine. Cool. So I'm going to create another vehicle detail information. This time our vehicle is from 21st model. Its number is 0000, and cool, we have all of our options here. Okay, so it's really fine, everything is fine. Save, and great, everything we have, each and everything working good. So what is going to be our next task? Our next task is to show our vehicles in our on the front side of our application. Okay, so let me just quickly remove this information from here. I'm sorry if I use this information in our what you can say, in our diagram. We don't need this information. Either we will need other fields which we will add in this section, and we will also split our vehicle information and the model information, everything in a separate models, but in the later sessions, not right now. Everything else is fine, and we will move towards our view. So if we go to our home application, we need to create a new folder here, which is going to be templates. And in this templates, we are going to have another section, which is, sorry, another folder, which is home. And in this home, I'm going to create a new file, which is going to be the index.html. Okay, so this is going to be our first HTML file, which we will use to show some of our data. I'm going to use the HTML language, and it is very easy to create a template for HTML. Just write HTML, select the 5 option, enter, and you will see dummy data with the simple template. Okay, what I'm going to say, it's going to be information vehicle information and body. I'm going to say in h3 list of vehicles from database. Okay, just to ensure that our page is working correctly, we are going to return render. Here we will use the request. Here we will use the template name, and we don't need the context right now. Okay, let me just check the home URLs. Okay, everything is fine. So okay, so our page is working. The URL rerouting is, everything is working. So what I will do, I will fetch some data from the database and show it on the front side. Hey guys, okay, this is going to be the second part of our ongoing tutorial, and in this part what we are going to do, we are going to retrieve some data from our database and we'll show it on our database. First of all, I'm going to improve edit some model fields so we can easily insert the data and get our result. So First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this one from 5 to 10. And what else I want to do, I want to okay, we don't have any other thing to update, so I think we are good to go. Okay, so this was a simple thing that I wanted to update, and I'm going to quickly uh, migrate some changes. Okay, so okay, we have done the migrations. Now I'm going to update my index view. Okay, so for right now we have this template, we have this view, and let's do some coding here. Actually, let me just give a comment here with thanks to Cypern. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create a variable name, data. It's equal to, we need some imports here, form dot models import owner and vehicle details. Okay, okay, and we are going to pass a context here. Okay, data from database. Okay, so what is next? We need to get this context from here to our index file. So we need to do some sorry, this is going to go name data from database. For now, what I'm going to do, sorry, I'm going to only show my data in a paragraph, and data, and we will end our for loop here. Let me see if we have any data in our database. So what I just did, okay, that's good, that's really good. Some random data, okay, nothing complex. And let's add one more where we already have this one. This time owner is a different, model is same, everything else is same. Just a dummy data. Okay, so I'm going to open our home page. Let's get to return more than one vehicle detail. It return two. Okay, loading 3 and 4. It's N4, not N4. Sorry. It's data dot uh, vehicle number. It's data dot vehicle number. Let me copy it from here. Okay. What could be the problem? I'm going to close our server, and I need to check some query here. Okay guys, this is our query set reference API. So I think we were using the wrong method. It's all method use with the entry objects. Okay, so let me just quickly check. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Instead of get, I'm going to use all, and I will save it. I will restart my server. Everything is good. I'm going to duplicate it. Here is our home. Okay, we got the information from the server. We have these two vehicle uh, numbers. Okay, we have vehicle number, vehicle name, everything is working fine. So what we need to do, we need to update this front end of our application, and we will make the view as we need it, index view. So first of all, we are going to work with very basic view. Here we will do the vehicle number, serial number, and we will create two buttons here to view the details and to edit or update the information. And we will create another view where we will insert some data in the database. We are not going to insert it from here anymore, and for that we need to use the forms, Django forms. And for the front end, I'm thinking about using the table, uh, bootstrap tables, to make our view a bit better. So I'll see you in the next video. And the assignment for today's task is to create some basic view with the uh, bootstrap table, and I will go from there. So you guys have to create a table using bootstrap. Okay, just a simple table where we will have serial number, vehicle number, and then we have the buttons. It will, the header of the column will say actions, and under it we will have two buttons here, one for the viewing the details, and another one for the editing and updating the details. And this is going to be the simple table, and we will have some kind of logo, name of the page or application, something here, and we will keep updating this page in the future. Okay, we don't have any plan right now, but we will keep updating the plan. And you have to use bootstrap 4, not 5. Bootstrap 4, it's widely available on internet, so we can get any help if we stuck somewhere. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.